Hot pepper smoke behind the roadside stall told me I was wrong. I had walked up laughing, acting like I already knew the answer. Everybody had warned me. They said, "Speed, don't try that." They said it was too strong, too weird, too much. So I stood there in Jamaica, sweating through my shirt, with scooters passing behind me and a plastic plate in my hand, thinking the same thing most people think before they try something new. I thought my fear was information. Then the vendor handed me the first bite. Nothing dramatic happened. No speech, no countdown, just a fork, a plate, and everybody watching my face. I put it in my mouth, and for 1 second, I stopped performing. I wasn't reacting for the stream. I wasn't trying to be funny. I was just standing there, tasting something I had already judged. That was the moment it clicked. The food was never the scary part. The scary part was realizing how fast I had made up my mind before I knew anything. So I took another bite, then another, and the whole street changed. The same smell I was avoiding became the thing pulling me in. That's why trying Jamaica's most controversial street foods hit different. It wasn't just about food, it was about catching myself being closed off in real time and choosing not to stay that way.